Are you stuck trying to decide between LeadPages and WordPress for your next website or a landing page? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with choosing between these two powerful tools. In this video, we're going to break down the pros and cons of both, and I'll reveal which one I think is the best fit for your needs. First off, let's talk about LeadPages. LeadPages is a landing page builder focused on simplicity and high conversion designs. If your goal is to create landing pages quickly and efficiently without needing technical skills, LeadPages might seem like the ideal option. It's great for marketers who need a fast setup to capture leads or sell products. You get templates designed to convert, built-in A/B testing, and integrations with your favorite email marketing tools. But it's not without its limitations. While LeadPages excels in ease of use, it can feel a bit restrictive when it comes to customization. You can only tweak templates so much before you hit a wall. And you're also locked into their platform for hosting and functionality. Next thing, let's look at WordPress. WordPress is a more comprehensive platform and it's been around for over 15 years. With WordPress, you get total control over your website. It's highly customizable, with thousands of themes and plugins that allow you to build virtually anything you can imagine. However, the trade-off here is that WordPress requires a steeper learning curve. Setting up a WordPress site takes longer and often involves dealing with hosting providers, domain names, and managing your own site's maintenance. If you're someone who doesn't mind technical work and enjoys having full control over your site, WordPress could be the way to go. But for beginners or people who want a simpler solution, it can feel overwhelming. The third thing to consider is cost. LeadPages offers a straightforward pricing model. You pay a monthly fee and you're good to go. The price might seem a little steep for what you get, but it's manageable if your focus is strictly on landing pages and conversions. WordPress, on the other hand, is technically free, but you'll likely need to pay for hosting, a domain, premium themes, and plugins. So, while WordPress might look cheaper upfront, it can add up quickly if you want advanced features or scalability. The fourth thing is support and resources. LeadPages offers strong customer support with live chat and email support, which is a big plus for users who want quick help. With WordPress, support is more community-driven. There are plenty of tutorials online, but you might find yourself searching forums or relying on third-party services when something goes wrong. Next, we've got flexibility. WordPress stands out here because it's open source, meaning you can modify every aspect of your website. If you need something specific or want to make your website unique, WordPress offers more customization options than LeadPages. On the flip side, LeadPages is all about simplicity, so while it offers less customization, it's also much faster to get a functional page up and running. Now, if you're wondering which is better for your specific goals, here's the catch. For creating high-converting landing pages quickly and without technical headaches, LeadPages is the clear winner. But if you're building a full website or a blog and want flexibility, WordPress is the way to go. However, I'm going to recommend an alternative you might not have considered. There are other tools out there that offer the best of both worlds, easy-to-use landing page builders combined with more flexibility and customization. These tools also have free trials, and through our link, you'll get the best exclusive offer available. So, if you want to take advantage of this exclusive deal and get your hands on some better tools, check out the link in the description. We've got something much better for your needs, and it's available with a free trial just for you.